another car in the ditch. That car's been there since yesterday. Look at that. Oh, just now. Are you serious? Guy just went down in the ditch. That's ridiculous. I'm up in the morning after the snowstorm, heading to work. It's really icy this morning. I was clearing my windows, but my windows weren't that bad, but I almost fell down and busted my butt. It's super slick in certain areas. Whenever the road looks black, it's super slick. You just slide to the side no matter what. So you gotta be very careful. Keep it slow and steady, straight. Don't never turn hard, and don't brake hard. Anyway, I'm off. What's that guy doing in the middle of the road? It's really incredible. I've seen a lot of cars down in the ditch from yesterday, but I thought that was from yesterday, and I realized the guy was just getting out. Seriously. I love it when the snow is fresh. We don't have that much snow around here, so as long as everything's okay, it's nice to see. Schools will close even in a small flurry sometimes. The problem is the streets get slick. Even if you plow them, the streets get slick, and schools close because school buses become dangerous. They're not made for this kind of weather. So the whole county will close. There's been times wherein the whole county, it snowed on one part of the county and sunny in the other part of the county. Beautiful day in the other part of the county, and the whole school district is closed. When the sun's going up, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Some of the sunrises are beautiful. When it's clear or semi-clear, clouds make a spectacle. It's a beautiful spectacle, a beautiful view. A lot of trees fallen. A lot of trees are just leaning over onto the road. Seen that a lot over neighborhoods. That's why there's no power in a lot of places. Trees just lean over and they break the lines. Well, I'm arriving to work. I'm glad it was uneventful. It was a nice drive. I thought it was an easy drive. Again, for me, I saw some people in the ditches from yesterday. Cars were abandoned. Some people in the ditches today. I don't understand it. They just need to keep slow and steady. And you don't have to go turtle slow either, but enough to be able to control your vehicle. I don't know what's hard to understand about that. A fallen tree.
The last gas station I stopped at, we're still working off of that half a tank of gas.
Well, I hope that it lasts you a little bit longer, but I hope that you're not stuck too much longer.
I just want to say that I saw the news and I didn't realize how bad things were as far as like highway shutdown, some people without power. So even though I find the view beautiful, I don't minimize that a lot of people are struggling right now without power in the cold, and it's a true emergency. Hope that everybody gets their power back and everybody's safe. I'm just getting off work now. I got off work a little early because it's sending people home early, and it's sunny and it's very bright. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Please give it a like if you like it. If you don't like it, give me 2 thumbs down and just go look at some other channel. As always, I want you to grow and master your life.